Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back again here in Wyoming, Jackson Hole, Wyoming, day 2.
And we're probably gonna go on a huge fishing trip today. Here we got our sled stuff, and we're really hyped up. We might do some sledding right now. We'll see you when we
when we get out in the snow for sledding.
Yeah, are you excited?
Totally.
Super fun!
That was legitness!
Nice. Keep going, Logan. There you go, buddy.
Oh, I have him still.
Oh, you got him. Little guy. You okay? Yeah, you want to Oh, no, you're alright. Keep reeling. Lift him up, Logan. Hold him right there a second. Let me get Jack going, and I'll get him off for you. Keep reeling, my friend. Yep. There, jerk straight up. Okay, keep reeling.
Yep, I got him.
There. Oh.
Okay.
Set straight up. There you go. Reel. You got a fish.
Poor guy.
Do you notice how I was kind of
Yep, I got him. Should I let him go?
Yeah, your first cutty of the year.
Nice. Woo. See you later.
There, get him, Logan. Set, buddy. Oh, I thought he was by Logan's line had me messed up.
Nice. Whoa. Hope I got a nibble.
I'm telling you, this fish. You're a little harder. I'm trying to stay right up. Logan, good job.
Nice. Ah.
That's a nice one.
Shoot.
Go try it again.
Alright, so we just got off the boat. Now we're in the car. And we just want to thank Colby and Jenk for Mangus Fishing. They caught us they got us to catch a ton of fish. We actually caught, I think, 71. Yeah. So it was tons of fun.
It was like completely beautiful out there. We caught so much fish. It was like incredible. I don't think there would be a day that could beat this, but there is. On Wednesday, there's a better day, and it's gonna be twice as good as this.
We'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so it's the end of the video now. I hope you enjoyed it.
I had to shovel like all that area, like we've completely shoveled it off. Now we're able to have lots of fun going down.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and watch tomorrow's video. Bye!